Welcome back to the Financial Beanstalk. My name is Nick, and it's the first week of a new month. So you know what that means. Dramatic color reveal for how the portfolio did this month. That's right, our second straight month in the red by a whole 0.9%. 2021 is just off to a great start. So let's get right into it with the stocks I bought. On the first, I bought $10 of SPHD, $10 of Verizon, $20 of AT&T, and $7 of JP Morgan. On the 12th, $5.13 of Apple. On the 17th, $5 of Realty Income, $5 of Stag Industrial, $6.72 of Proctor Gamble, $10 of SCHD, and $5 of Republic Services. On the 18th, $10 of SCHD, $5 of Microsoft, $5 of AT&T, $5 of Altria, $5 of SPHD, $8 of Coca Cola, and $10 of VYM. On the 23rd, $6 of Home Depot, $5.46 of Republic Services, and $10 of SCHD. On the 25th, $11 of SCHD, $8 of Altria, $3.30 of Procter & Gamble, $5 of JP Morgan, $10 of Disney, $10 of VYM, $5 of AT&T, and $5 of Northwest Energy. And on the 26th, about $6 of Stag Industrial and $8 of SCHD. So in total, I spent $219.61 on stocks in February. On to the dividends I got. On the first, I got 9 cents from JP Morgan, $1.01 from Verizon, and $2.49 from AT&T. On the 9th, 12 cents from AGNC. On the 11th, 94 cents from Apple. On the 12th, 64 cents from Main Street Capital. On the 16th, 20 cents from Stag Industrial, 30 cents from Procter & Gamble, and $1.58 from Realty Income. On the 18th, 6 cents from Prospect Capital. On the 19th, 15 cents from Energy Transfer. And on the 26th, I got $1.69 from SPHD, 7 cents from Gladstone Investments, and capped it off with 1 whole penny from Sirius XM. So in total, I got $9.35 in dividends this month. Almost broke double figures. I feel like I need to name this last portion of SIBDIG where I talk about some lessons I learned this month, some updates on my strategy and what I'm doing with this portfolio. So if you have any ideas, let me know in the comments below. Right off the bat, I know what you're thinking. Nick, SIBDIG is about dividends. Why would you buy Disney in your dividend portfolio? Well, mostly I wanted to show off this sick Mickey Mouse rig. I mean, just look at it. But also, if you didn't know, Disney used to have a dividend, but for some reason, they cut it last year.
Coronavirus!
And I think once the country fully reopens and their parks are up and running, movie theaters are open again, they could very well reinstate that dividend. And even if they don't, I think they have enough momentum with Disney Plus that the stock is a good buy anyway. But do your own research and determine that for yourself, because I'm not a financial advisor. Even in a month when I'm not getting as many dividends, I'm getting almost 2 whole figures every single month. Passive income, baby. So on top of the $200 to $300 I'm investing every month, at the bare minimum, since I'm getting around $10 every single month in dividends, that'll add up to a little over $100 that's reinvested back into the portfolio every year. And I know YouTube is all about the gains and how much percent you can make in just 2 short weeks, but this is kind of a realistic picture about how the average person can invest and how long it takes to grow a portfolio like this. I'm a little over a year into focusing on a dividend portfolio and putting money into it every month, and I'm just hitting around $10 at minimum in this portfolio, so not very flashy, but there you have it. There are a couple of my monthly paying dividend stocks that are on the chopping block now. like Prospect Capital, AGNC Investments, and Gladstone Investments. I've owned them since pretty much the beginning of this portfolio, and they haven't really done anything since I've owned them, and I don't really see them doing anything in the future as well. Right now they add up to about $0.25 in total every single month, which is nice, but if I sold them off at today's current price, I could buy a full share of Stag Industrial, which is a company that I do see more potential with. It would cut that dividend payment in about half, since Stag currently pays a 12-cent dividend per share. So we'll see. Let me know in the comment section below what you would do. If you would just continue to ride it out and collect that dividend payment for as long as they'll pay it, or if you'd put it into something that you have a little more faith in long term. I went ahead and started opening an account with Fidelity, so the wheels are in motion for me to move over from Robinhood.
Come on, my lover. Come on, my friend.
Which would likely make a pretty popular video about how to do that whole process, so maybe I should do that sooner rather than later. But I've heard good things about Fidelity, and if you have any experience with them, like what accounts I should open with them, that is one of the things that I really like about them, is that they do offer a lot of services, and just having all your accounts connected in that capacity would be really nice. So it's another thing to talk about in the comment section below. If you didn't see my last video, I'm starting to dive into YOLO stocks. Really just more growth stocks, but YOLO stocks get all the attention. So if you want to know what I'm doing there, watch the video in the corner here. And that's about it this month. So overall, a pretty calm month for SIBDIG, but you know what they say, red sky at night, red sky in February, and in March you'll get lots of dividends. I might even break $20, so retirement is in sight. So YouTube mumbo jumbo, that subscribe button, that like button, and that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. I truly appreciate you watching, and let's continue to grow this beanstalk.